drive time.
Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones back on the road. But first, let me make a quick video here because I'm getting a lot of questions, and let me just go back here real quick. And yeah, I just gotta make sure I'm taking this container here. And now the question is pre-trip. I get a lot of questions, like people like I did a video and it's about pre-trip, and then pre-trip, not cracker broken from the beginning to the back. I already did the pre-trip, so if you look at my videos you will see pre-trip, and the way I said it is the way you gotta say it. And then on the end cab it's the same thing. The 3-point test brake is the same exact thing. You gotta remember everything. So when you go to the test site, that's the first thing they're gonna have you do, pre-trip. Not crack the broken, the tires, the lug nuts and everything, the whole engine. So if you watch my videos, that's how you gotta say it. From the beginning, it starts from the passenger side all the way around. The same way I did it on the video, remember that. And then if you don't get pre-trip right, you're not even gonna start that truck. Let me tell you that right now. You're not even gonna be able to start that truck. All right? So once you got it down packed, once you're at the site, you're gonna do the pre-trip. If you did it correctly, you didn't miss anything, then you're gonna go inside the cab. Then he's gonna have you do the in-cab inspection, which is the seatbelt, the air horn, the wiper blades, and the four-way flashers. He's gonna have you do that. After you do that, then you do the 3-point test brake, which is you push down the brake and then the pressure, the 140 psi, bringing down to 90 to 60. I did a video on that too. That's another one that you have to do. And if you have that one wrong, automatically fail. Automatically fail with the pre-trip. Automatically fail. They'll fail you quick right there. And then once you complete everything, then you got to do your maneuvers. The first maneuver is straight line backing. Okay? And then after you do the straight line backing, then you do the other two, which is the you don't do parallel though. You don't do parallel though. But yeah, that's when you do all your maneuvers. You know, the backing. And then once you do that, you're on the road. And once you're on the road, you cannot hit a curve. If the tandems hit a curve while you're going on the curve, it's an automatic fail. Yep, that's how. But you know what? Trust me, man. It can be done. It can be done. It can be done. It can be done. You know, just have faith. It can be done. And me, I'm a man of prayers, man. I just pray. Every time I want something done, I pray to God. I need, you know, and I'm here. Solo driver. Got my own truck. Can't complain. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Oh man, you guys are funny, man. Yeah, I got this one guy. He's like, oh, can I do it like it within? No, it's right there and then. But if I did it, you can do it too. All right. So let me again, this is a quick video. So let me get out of here, man. I got things to do. So drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you all, love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.